My people, many of una they are aware of these cowboys and herdsmen wahala. Where many of us don't dey against them, we don't want them again because they cause trouble. Where they bring their cows, come city, they disturb us. In fact, my people, now so they thought una revenge don't come. And this shows that many of una go they wonder revenge from where, revenge from where. These people now they don't decide say they not go they supply anything like pepper, tomato, onions, all those food items where you know say they come from north. Now they say they know they supply them again to the south people. So right now, so they thought una na DHQ defense headquarters. They don't come out now say they intervene, say they have these things supposed to happen. May they not stop them, may they come. In fact, they beg now say may they not cancel, may they not stop any supplements. I beg. See, now beg, I even the beg. Who be all these ones? Because we no want. Ha! Maybe person no just make me vessel. Why they intervene? I beg, see, we no need them. We no want them. I beg, maybe they. In fact, we like them like this. I say I like it like that. We like them. See, oh, if you know how I don't they pray save for this time to reach. These people no go spoil my show. Ah, I beg go. Una no just they think of the good things wey fit come out of this thing wey happen. Una just they think of food. Leave food first. Leave food. See, many advantages they inside this thing. Una no go even believe the one wey even happen for Naija state. See, this they stop one full car. If una see tomato loading inside this car, tomato and all those bogbati things, they full inside the car, they stop them. They stop them. Maybe so una supposed to understand now, say this matter is very critical. In fact, it is very, very serious. Because make una keep una food, keep una cows. Wait till again una even they give us. See, anything where you know so they give us, because keep up. Because at least now, if this thing stop, if everybody be on your own, kidnapping go reduce. You understand? All those things where we know say they do, now it go reduce. Because most of them they come from that side. They come from that side. So what do you expect? No, una go see am, una even go thank me later. It go reduce. Now una mind they go, hey, if these people stop now, how we go survive? Forget it. Forget it. See, nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. And the reason why these people even they behave like this now because una don't too show them say una they depend on them. Una don't too show them say without these people we cannot make it or we cannot survive. Now why they take advantage of una? So make una shine una eye. See, no room for laziness. So right now as these people don't take their stand because we too we go take our stand. No more herdsmen. We go they carry AK-47. They walk up and down. Even for the streets, you they walk out for streets. Save you they fear. Una need see these people when they walk out. Hey, you know when your papa own one place, you know how you go even raise your shoulder. You they dengue, you they pose. They be like militia everywhere. You know if you just walk out in peace, you go just see them. I beg, see where are youths? All of una make una gather. Because now, as this thing happen, it go even create jobs. All of una now go return back to una family. Yes, now. Instead of make we depend on those people. And again, another one say again, all poultry farming, it go come increase. And all the southern economy, it go boost. In fact, it go overgrow where. Make una look at the positive. See that period where farmers and herders they fight. Every day, this one die, 10 die, 100 you know die. This one every day. At least now, we are not just imagine this side where they look. Everybody see now farmers go go their farm, cultivate, work. When they finish, they go back home. You know this kind of peaceful, this thing, no stress. You know go there your farm like they farm. Then you go they farm with one eye. They check with another eye. Say okay, person fit come attack me now. Seriously, me now like this, me at the thinker. I bet keep this ban. Una no just know it una even start. Keep am. We no need that. I tell you this thing before. No, I dey tell you, I know they tell you. We fit do without these people. Chicken day. We no go chop cow meat. If you no chop cow meat, you go die. You no go die. We fit start our farming by ourselves. We fit buy chicken. We fit dey eat fish. Many things dey wey person go chop. In fact, you go even grow fat past the one when you dey chop this cow, because you don't even know this cow sef. I don't even dey suspect am. Be like say something even dey inside all those cows. Now why everybody dey fight for cow, abeg, no supply us anything. No supply. I dey sure say many of una even agree with me. Make they no supply us anything. We go do am like this now. Northerners no go supply food to south. South no go come supply oil to north. Peace will reign. See, make I give una one advice. Learn to dey work with the small thing wey you get. E go shock you. You fit even do the most with that small thing. And the reason why we black people we dey fail every time, I don talk am before, na because we too dey lazy. We too dey lazy. And we don't give many people power over us. Now why? Wetin be farming? No, wetin be tomato wey you want? No, una wan tell me now say if we put our mind to this thing, we no go fit cultivate our own food. Now wetin una dey try tell me? Wetin be pepper? We go start am and they go even see am with their eye. Say this thing dey move. Make una no shake oh, no shake body rara. We are standing in this together. All these Northerners, they no even get sense. Seriously, they no get sense. How you go stop? Abi, how you go ban tomatoes? How? If I talk now, I go say, how you go ban tomatoes? Ngwanu, make we see where this thing go end now. Abi una think say this battle, the line, we just draw this line now. Now, not be before when we dey stop herdsmen. This one, now this battle they even start. We know they draw any line again, so because the line has been drawn already, no need. We go start this thing and we go see who go laugh last. They say he who laughs last laugh best. Make we see the person who go laugh last now for this matter. My people, the battle has begun. So what do you have to say now concerning this? Hey, I don't know if I'm not even there aware of this matter. It they happen now, not be fake news. It they happen now. So anything where you guys talk concerning this thing, if you dey support, make we start to plant our food. Make we start to do our things by ourselves, drop and there. And now why when I need share this video so that everybody go know say now we stand as one against those people. Very, very important. You understand? So share this video, drop your comments. I go probably now one by one and make sure say you subscribe. If not, you go to miss interesting matters like this. I dey here for now. Stay tuned for the next story. Matter don't reach me now from one woman. Omo, this one I beg, I don't want to talk anything about Yoruba people first before na crucify me. But the lady na Yoruba person, so now she don't come outside. Matter reach me say this woman even want, she don't prepare everything down, say she dey kill herself. Just like that too. That's why when they ask, they say wetin happen, they say because man no they come to marry her. No husband, so she don't frustrate. She don't, in fact, many wahala. You understand? And right now, her family, her friends, everybody, everybody don't gather. They insult and they laugh and they come and say she be useless person. In fact, many things. So I beg for now, we don't know what they shelling now because we say they're about to lose in life. Join me, make we listen to the woman.
Àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ti marry, gbogbo wọn ti marry, èmi nìkan náà ní òkú. Mo wá ní tí mo fẹ́ lọ gbé nǹkan jẹ. Ìgbà táwọn èèyàn wá ní ti máa rò bẹ́ẹ̀ pé tí bá lọ gbé anything jẹ pé ó máa ya, Ọlọ́run máa ń ṣe ìyanu nínú ayé mi. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kúrò ní báyìí pé tí lọ wá ibò mi. Pé tí lọ wá iṣẹ́ ní ibò mi. Ọlá ni mo ń lọ ní ìsìn, máa lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọ̀gbẹ́ni ẹni ìsìn yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe sọ fún àwọn pé wọ́n ti bá mi rí ẹni ọkùnrin ṣá léèyàn lè mú lọ sí ilé.
Bọ̀ nísì báyìí sìn ẹ̀yin wá ní sọ pé ẹni ọkùnrin ẹ má sunkún. Nísì báyìí sìn ọkùnrin tẹ́ máa nídìí tó máa tọ́jú yín tó máa jẹ́ ọkọ gidi ọkọ alálùbáríkà.
My people, I know say many of una go laugh, many of una go cry, many of una go insult am, many of una go judge am. In fact, I know say everybody get your own opinion, no. You understand? But I want make una understand something first. Everybody they go through something for this life. No, seriously, this one no be joking matter. Everybody they go through something for this life. You understand? So me from her own angle, I dey understand them. And many angles they concerning this matter. So we feel look at different angles. But me understand where she they come from. The problem for this woman now, no be say husband in quotes per se. You understand? Although na part of the problem, but the thing wey even dey pressure her to the extent wey she even wan kill herself, my people, na because of the way people wey dey around her dey treat am. You understand? No, just imagine say you dey go through something, maybe you no get money, you never chop, then person come meet you now, still dey tell you nonsense, say how you no go chop at this your age, you no fit work, you know, those kind of pressure. So the thing don't enter the woman. See, e no dey easy o. Chineke. But now the thing now be say, no matter wetin person dey go through, I don't know how una dey see this suicide mission thing. I never think am for my life o. Say I wan sit down, I don carry rope, or wetin una dey use again, drink sniper, do this one. I never think am before say I go do am. No matter wetin I dey go through. Of course, I know dey talk say, I know dey try hype myself. I know dey perfect. But wetin I dey try talk be say, see, nothing should lead you to a point where you even wan take your own life. Mbanu. No matter what. Except say you die natural death. That one dey different. But say you won't use your own hand, can't cause your death. I beg. My dear, you see, nothing is worth it. Very, very important. No try am. This one way you no succeed. I beg you. I dey use this time now to beg you. No, see, next time I look for person where you go talk to. Now, why I dey tell una every time? You see, it is very important too. Not be your secret I dey talk about, but if you notice say something dey worry you, look for person where you trust. Deliver the matter. It go shock you. Solution fit just come. Area where you no even imagine say solution go come from, it go come. You understand? Very, very important. And now people they die because of money. Imagine this one can't they die because of man. Una still say this life no even balance. Hey, wahala we both straight. Money, man. I bet who you go choose? Because we're all working for money. So at least, I know they support say me you die for money, but at least if at all anything we even take you out of, you understand? Make it be saying that something we did very worth it. Man, they plenty, my sister. But now my question be say, because now I don't dey think this thing 2 times now. Hope say this woman no be part of the people where they young. You understand? If man come approach her, baby, I love you. I have a boyfriend. You know, see some gays they like that. Hey, even when they know they date, just so that they go drive men away. I have a boyfriend. Now see she don't end like that. I know they don't say make una date everybody we come una way. But see, sometimes you need to give love chance. Maybe now waiting don't cause this one where you can't reach this age. You want don't old, no be youngy like that. I don't understand though. Seriously, sometimes if I sit down, they think some kind of thing. How be say person go love another person to a point where she even won't care herself for the person? I don't feel take my life for man. Waiting happen, make her come die for you. The one way Jesus do, no do. Make her come kill me and say, no, I'll be waiting. Make una sit down and think well. And as for una, parents, stop they put pressure on your children. Go and marry. Waiting. If not like that easy, everybody for don't marry. Some people get their own plans. And see, not be everybody come this word say they go marry. And they know right how many ways saying a sin. They know right how many ways say you go fire if you no marry. Marriage no be achievement oh. Marriage no be achievement because some of una don't even carry on top of una head like say na everything wanna come this world can't do. Better things are there. Of course, marriage is good, but better things are there. So make una know. See, I bring these things so that una no go just be confused on herself. You understand? It is very important, my sister. You no need husband right now. The way they see you, you need money. You need to look for a job. Make yourself useful. You go see how men go they rush you. Because nowadays men don't want all those liability where any small thing. No. They don't need that. They define woman way, of course, respectful, but make the woman get sense to do something for herself. Very, very important. You understand? So and now I bring this matter now. Because now for Nigeria, it don't become sin. If woman don't reach age to marry and she no marry, it don't become sin. Now they nonsense questions go they come. When you go marry now, you know go your husband house. Some of them will even they ask you, when we go chop your wedding rice now. rice na rice, oga go chop rice if you want chop rice. Simple. So no allow, ladies, don't allow anybody to pressure you. No allow am. Anybody wey bring this matter, put am for him seat. Very, very important. And as for you, as you succeed now wey you no die, I hope so you no go make this nonsense mistake again for your life. You understand? Very, very important. If you can take care of yourself, men will always come. Men no dey finish. Okay, although this period where we dey now, oh my people, I don't dey fear small, because all of them don't they turn to gay. So now why I also they look the woman side, you understand? Because maybe she don't they fear self, say this one where all of them don't they go that side. Say who go come marry me? My sister, no worry, we still have good ones. In fact, reliable and eligible men, they still dey there and they go find you. You understand? Just work and make your money. Very, very important. My people, I hope say this thing now where I talk, it no be only this woman, I go don't save many people. You understand? Now why need share this video, because person feel still there outside now, they plan to kill herself. Oh, very, very important. And make sure you na subscribe and drop that comment. Any matter where you think say I talk or I no talk, drop and I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.